Today we shall complete the area of some figures. Before we defined the area as the measure of surface. Before we find the area of the rectangle equal length times width. The area of the square equal side square or side times itself. The area of the parallelogram equal base times height. The area of triangle equal half base times height. Today we shall study the area of rhombus. The rhombus is a parallelogram which has 4 equal sides. Since the rhombus is a parallelogram, therefore its area also equal base times height. Okay, area of the rhombus equal base times height equal BC times H. That's the first rule of area of rhombus. Have you another rule? Yes. The rhombus A, B, C, D. Its diagonals AC denoted by D1 and BD denoted by D2. The rhombus consists of 2 triangles. Then area of the rhombus A equal the area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle CBD. Okay? Who can remember the area of triangle? The area of triangle equal half base times height. Then equal half the area of triangle ABD equal half base BD times height AM. The area of triangle BCD also equal half base times height equal half BD times CM. Therefore, the area of rhombus equal half BD times AM plus half BD times CM. Half is a common factor, equal half, and BD is a common factor. Therefore, half BD common factor, AM plus MC. AM plus MC. AM plus MC means AC. Then area of rhombus equal half BD times AC, such that AM plus MC equal AC. Half BD means half D1 times AC times D2. Then area of rhombus equal D1 times D2 over 2. Then we have 2 rules for the area of rhombus. Number 1, since the rhombus is a parallelogram, therefore its area equal base times height if the given the base and the corresponding height. But if the given of any rhombus is the length of D1 and D2, therefore area of rhombus equal D1 times D2 over 2. What about trapezium? Trapezium is the quad which has only 2 opposite sides parallel. Trapezium is a quadrilateral which has only 2 opposite sides parallel. AD parallel to BC. Okay, how can we find the area of trapezium? Be careful, since AD parallel to BC, AD straight line parallel to BC, then the height of trapezium, any one of the perpendiculars drawn between the 2 parallel bases. and they are equal. Each one is called h, or height. Then area of trapezium ABCD equal area of triangle ABC, okay, plus area of triangle ADC. Who can determine the area of triangle ABC? Half BC times H. Who can determine the area of triangle ACD? Half AD times H. Half BC times height plus half AD times height. Have you any common factor? Yes, half H. Then half BC plus AD times H, or BC plus AD times H over 2 equal BC plus AD over 2. Half means over 2 times height. What about BC? What about AD? The first base and the second base, the two parallel bases, over 2 times height. Who can remember what's the meaning of AD plus BC over 2? Means the average of the sum of AD and BC. Therefore, area of trapezium equal B1 plus B2 over 2 times height. Okay? Similarly, triangle ABC, XZ join between the two midpoints of two sides of the triangle. Therefore, XZ equal half BC or half B1. ZY join between the midpoints of the two sides of the triangle ADC. Again, XY join between the midpoints of two sides of the triangle, and before we say that any line segment join between two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side and equal half the third side. Mean XZ equal half B1. Similarly, ZY equal half AD. Then XZ equal half BC, ZY equal half AD. Then area of trapezium equal XZ, which equal half B1, plus ZY, which equal half AD times height. Therefore, XY, which is called the average base, which join between the midpoints of AB and the midpoint of DC. Then the area of trapezium equal number 1 B1 plus B2 over 2 times height. Number 2 equal average base times height.